Good morning, my dear 8th grade students. I am teacher Rami and I'm pleased to be here with you. Okay, today we have a lesson, or we have a grammar lesson today, and we will study about will and going to. Okay, why do we use will and going to? So we use them, teacher, to talk about the future. And we have three ways to talk about the future: will, going to, and the present continuous. And let's start now. Okay, the first thing here, will. Okay, so we use will to talk about the future. So again, we use will to talk about future, and also we use going to talk about future, but there are some differences. Okay, the first difference we will study now, the form. Okay, so we form will with will plus verb 1, or the base form of the verb. So we use verb 1 after will. We use verb 1 after will. I will read. Okay, so I will read. Read here, verb 1. She will travel. Travel, verb 1. Okay, they will eat. They will drink. They will visit. So we use verb 1 after will. Okay, next, usages. Okay, the first usage here to make predictions about the future. Predictions to guess what will happen in the future. To guess what will happen in the future. So to make a prediction about the future based on your own thoughts here or beliefs. Again, so based on your own thoughts or beliefs. Okay, for example, you will pass the exam. So I think we have what? Thoughts, right? So I think you will pass. So pass your verb 1. We used will and verb 1. So I think you will pass the exam. This is the first usage. So the first usage, again, to make a prediction about future based on your own thoughts or beliefs. Okay, next, to make offers. We use will to make what? Offers. For example, I will lend you my car. I will lend you my car. So we used will here and lend verb 1. The third usage here, to make promises. To make promises, to promise someone to do something in the future. Go. Okay, so to make promises, I will always help you. Again, so the third thing here, I will, to make promises, I will always help you. So we use here will and help, verb 1. Okay, another example, I will always help you. Another example, I promise you, I will give you money. Okay. Now the last usages is to make decisions, especially while we are speaking. Okay, for example, my phone is ringing, I will answer. So my phone is ringing, he is ringing, now, so I will answer. So we use here will and answer verb 1. Another example, I'm thirsty, so I will drink water. I'm thirsty, I will drink water. I'm hungry, so I will eat. I'm hungry, so I will eat. Now let's move to the second part, going to. Okay, we use going to talk about the future, the same but with a different usage. Okay, the form, so we form going to with as, am, are, plus going to plus the base form, verb 1. Okay, we use as with the singular pronouns, he, she, it. We use am with the pronoun I, and we use are with the plural, they, you, and we. Okay, plus going to plus verb 1. So, for example, I'm going to read, so I am. So we used am here because we have pronoun I. Sarah is, so we used is here because Sarah is singular. Going to travel or going to read, so verb 1 here, and we used verb 1 here. Okay, now usages. Let's start with the first one. The first usage is to make predictions about the future. The same thing here, to make predictions about the future, but here based on what we can see. What we can see. And here with will, based on your own thoughts or beliefs. But here in going to make a prediction about the future based on what we can see. What we can see. Okay, for example, look at that car. Look at that car. It's going to win the race. Look at that car, at what we can see. What we can see. And here with will, based on your own thoughts or beliefs. But here in going to make a prediction about the future based on what we can see. What we can see. Okay, for example, look at that car. Look at that car, it's going to win the race. Look at that car, it, singular pronoun, so we use here is, it is going to win. Going to win, verb 1, going to win the race. Second usage here is to talk about intentions, things that we have already decided. So we use going to when we want to talk about something that we have already decided before. For example, they are going to invite their friends to the party. Again, they are going to invite their friends to the party. So we use are here because they, plural, they are going to invite here, verb 1, okay, friend to the party. So we decided here, we have already decided to invite their friends, so we used going to. Okay, now here again, note here, we have something important here. We use I, or we use am with the pronoun I. I am going to. I am going to. We use as with singular pronoun. He, she, it. He, she, it is going to. So it is going to. She is going to. He is going to. Sarah is going to. Muhammad is going to. Whatever. Next, we use are with the plural pronouns. So we, they, you, okay, are going to. So you are going to, or we are going to, they are going to. Okay guys, let's solve this exercise together. The exercise asks you to fill the blanks with the correct form of will or be going to. Okay, so be consists of what? Is with singular, am with pronoun I, and are with plural. Okay, the first sentence is I don't think, look here, focus here, I don't think it rained. Okay, so this sentence is based on my thought because I don't think. So this sentence, what's the answer? Will or be going to? Okay, correct, thank you very much. So it will rain. I don't think it will rain. Okay, the second sentence. My friends have the money. So my friends have the money. They travel abroad. So I can see the money. I can see that they have a money. So they travel abroad. So what's the answer? Will or be going to? Yes, good. So be going to. They, singular or plural? Great, plural. So they are going to travel abroad. Okay, the third sentence. Don't worry. Don't worry. We carry your bags. Okay, so here, don't worry. We carry your bags. We have here what? We have offers. Thank you. So we will give you offer that we will carry your bags. So we, okay, good. Thank you. So we will carry your bags. Okay, the last sentence here. My father told me that he built a new house. So my father what? My father, he has decided before that he wants to what? To build. Okay, so my father will or is going to? Yes, correct. So my dad is going to build a new house. So we here is because he is singular pronoun, so he is going to build a new home. Okay, here we have two sentences. They are at the airport, they get in the plane, and the second one, the door is knocking, I open it. These sentences are your duty. Do them, test yourself as a homework. Thank you for watching, learn English and enjoy it. Thank you very much again.